Welcome back. Let's get hands-on and create a simple, practical generator function. We will build a generator that produces a sequence of even numbers up to a specified limit. This example will demonstrate the behavior of the yield keyword and the lazy evaluation process. 1. Defining the generator function. We define even_number_generator, which takes a limit n. Inside, a for loop iterates up to n. The key is the yield keyword inside the if condition. When this line is reached, the function pauses, returns the current even number, and waits until the next value is requested. 2. Creating the generator object. When we call the function even_number_generator with 10 and assign the result to gen, the code inside the function doesn't execute immediately. Instead, it returns a special object, a generator object. This object is an iterator that controls the function's pause state. 3. Iterating and executing the generator. We can manually pull values out using next. The first next call runs the code until the first yield, returning 0. The second next call resumes the function exactly after the first yield, continues the loop, finds the next even number, 2, yields it, and pauses again. Most of the time, we simply iterate over the generator object using a for loop which automatically handles all the next calls. To summarize, generators are memory superheroes. They generate large sequences on demand, keeping your code efficient. Our next lecture 13.15. Keywords in Python. See you there.